Welcome back to day 32 of our 90-day sprint. And if you are trying to grow an online business, my friend, in 2026 and nobody is buying from you, I can tell you exactly why. And it's not what you think. The problem is this. We need to slow down and we need to land this so that you can understand why you're not selling and connecting. The problem is most beginners online are out there posting facts. They're posting features, they're posting bullet points, they're posting information and wondering why no one is connecting to them, because they're not clicking and they're not buying, because they don't want facts, they don't want information, they want stories. And that is what today, day 32 of our 90-day run is all about, the connections with your story. So if I was to tell you, guess what? I have this, and I have all of this for you. It's not telling you anything about what my story is and how it helped me walk away from my teaching career, how it helped me go from 8 to 16 hours a day to 2 to 4 hour a day. I get to decide what I want to do, but I have 2 hours dedicated just on income producing activities alone. And then if I want an extra training or something like that, I can do that. Or if I want to help someone else do something, I can do that an extra hour. But I'm not working those 8 to 16 hours anymore. So you need to understand, I can give you all the features, all the bullet points, all the step-by-steps. I can give you all of that. But it's not going to connect you with how it's going to take you from the 8 to 16 hour day into a 2 hour day, an 8 to 16 hour day with the boss being tied to that position, to a 2 hour day where you get to make your choices. I can work 30 minutes here, 30 minutes there, 2 hours all at once and be done for the day. As long as I get my 2 hour income producing activities done, I'm done. Storytelling is this. It has a pain point and it takes them to where they need to go to get the transformation. And that's what I want to share with you today, friends. It's not about the features. It's not about the bullet points. It's not about all the information. You have all of that stuff available to you. But what you do with it is this. So this is what changed everything for me. People do not buy information. They buy that transformation I was telling you about. And the only way to show someone that it's possible is for them to understand the real story that I just told you. I walked away from an 8 to 16 hour day, and now I work 2 hours a day on income producing activities. So the value is the storytelling formula. And I'm going to show you 3 things that is so key. And I want you to click in with these 3 things, my friend. Day 32 of our 90-day sprint. Today, I'm giving you exactly 3 parts to the story formula that builds the trust, the belief, and makes that perfect customer say, if it worked for her, it can work for me too. So here it is. Number 1, what is the struggle? What is the challenge that you faced? My challenge was I was missing all those special moments with my grandkids while my husband went because I couldn't find a sub to teach my class. So when he asked me not to resign my contract, I was like, honey, we have 10 beautiful grandkids. I can't not do nothing. He said, I know you. I know you will find a way to do something, to keep teaching, to keep helping bless other people, just in a different way. And my friends, I found it and I want to share it with you. So that was my struggle. I wanted my time back. I was sick and tired of missing those special moments with my grandkids and my husband. So number 2 is the shift. What changed? What did you discover? So the change was my husband asked me not to re-sign my contract. The discover was I wanted to find something to do. And whenever I went to look online, guess what? Yeah, you can find a corporate job. You can work from home. You can do all of that stuff, but you're going to be at home. I wanted to be able to work remotely from anywhere. Number 1, the struggle was I wanted my time back. Number 2, I wanted to be able to work remotely from anywhere. And number 3 is the success. What were the results? What does life look like now? So let me take you on this little journey. The success of what the results were is I got to walk away from my teaching career. What does it look like now? We just got back from the mountains because our anniversary was last Wednesday. And my husband had an eye doctor's appointment that morning. So we went to his appointment. We went out and we had a pedicure day. We went and ate. We just enjoyed ourselves. And we were going to leave and go to the mountains. And I was like, no, we can't leave. Our granddaughter's playing her first volleyball scrimmage Thursday. So we stayed and we went to our scrimmage. And then we came home, we packed our bags, and we went to the mountains for a couple of days. And guess what? There was no plans. That's how life looks like now. There's no plans. But you know what? I did my 2 hours and we were off. And then while we were there, I was recording and doing my content while I was enjoying my days off. Because guess what? That is my life now, is content. So I was creating content while I was being able to be gone and having a great time. So that's what it looks like now. I can shoot a video and share it and get leads and get buyers, because guess what? Everybody wants the same thing. They want to be able to work remotely from anywhere. They want to be able to do what they want to when they want to. And I just wish this for you. So struggle is number 1. Shift is number 2. And the success part is number 3. That's it. That's the formula. That's what builds the business in online in 2026. And here's what I really want you to hear today, my friend. Your story does not have to be perfect. Your story does not have to be polished. And your story does not have to be dramatic. It just has to be real. And that's it. Because what is real inspires people, inspires others. They want the realness. They want to understand that you can work remotely from anywhere. You can go a few days and not have to post every single day because your digital real estate is out there working for you. I uploaded day 25, day 26, day 27, day 28. I uploaded all of those days. And guess what? My content was done. So I could go and enjoy, and I did my emails, I did my automations, and I enjoyed my life. And I just wish that for you, my friend. Real stories build trust, and real stories make someone else pull their card out and say, I'm in. Because if you can do it, I can do it. So what does this mean? We have 58 days left of this sprint. We're building something real here. But the question is, where are you sitting today, my friend? Are you sitting there wishing that you could work remotely from anywhere? Are you showing up online with facts? Or are you going to show up online with your story? Because facts are forgotten, but stories change lives. Your story is what someone else needs to hear right now, to take that first step, to do what you need to do to show up for your family, just like I did for mine. I want to encourage you this, my friend. You don't have to know it all, and you never will. I've been in this since September of 2022, and guess what? I will never know it all. But guess what? I can help you succeed in the digital online space with what I know. I can take you through a journey to where you don't have to go back and do everything that I had to learn. I can move you forward in a step-by-step plan. So whenever you are ready to get started, I just encourage you, go down below and join my community, Building Digitally with Christy. I am on the school platform, SKOOL. I am an app on your phone, and I would love to help you grow your ecosystem in the digital online space. It's as friendly as a step-by-step. We have interactive training programs every Monday with my mentor that's a 7-figure plus. She created multiple communities on the school platform, and her communities bring her in over $100,000 a month. That's just her communities. That's not her ecosystem and her whole ecosystem. I'm telling you, friends, the online space is where you need to be to understand, where you need to go share your story with others, because if we can do it, so can you. So down below, you're also going to see a link, buildingdigitally.com. And buildingdigitally.com is going to take you to the same blueprint that I did, to where I understood that I could go step by step by step by step. I could go from launch to profit in 7 days. I could put my business on an automation system, and I can help other people learn how to work remotely from anywhere. So I encourage you, friend, go get the blueprint. Go see which one of the options is the best for you. And let's build your ecosystem where you get 100% profit, where you get to help other people, but more importantly, where you get to build a legacy for you and your family. That's the story that you need to tell, because 2026 is going to be your year. 2026 is going to take you through the foundation of building your online success. Are you ready for your journey? Because I'm ready to be there to help you. I will see you tomorrow, my friend, on day 33. I cannot wait to help you on your journey to success as well. So be sure and go down. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe. Be sure and go back to the playlist if you haven't done day 1 through day 32. And let's go on this journey together, because guess what? It is a journey, and it is a journey of pure joy, and it is a journey that you will have a foundation to be built on for the rest of your life. I will see you tomorrow.